Ground has been broken for the Morant Bay Urban Centre in St. Thomas. The development is expected to give the parish a major economic boost, providing jobs for thousands. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
It's been a long time coming, and for residents of St. Thomas, Wednesday's groundbreaking for the Morant Bay Urban Centre is an indication that a change gon' come. It's the same property that once housed the old Goodyear tire factory that was closed in 1997. When the factory closed, it led to the economic misery for hundreds in the parish. More than 2 decades later,
from the Goodyear factory closed, everything closed.
I'm glad I'm here to witness it, the groundbreaking. It's amazing. It's good for St. Thomas.
The 365,000 square feet property is to be developed by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica FCJ and financed through a joint venture partnership with China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, Czech. It will facilitate services offered by the government and the private sector. It will also include a zone for manufacturing.
We at Factories Corporation of Jamaica are very excited for this game-changing development to impact the lives of the people of St. Thomas, in particular, and Jamaica in general. This old Goodyear factory will breathe new life into the St. Thomas economy with development of the Morant Bay Urban Centre.
St. Thomas, often referred to as the Forgotten Parish, has for years been yearning for further development. This is why Prime Minister Andrew Holness's administration is making big plans.
This area will be able to claim as part of its industry tourism in a big way. But it's more than that. The investment in the road will also help the development of mining in the area. So you will have 2 major industries that will carry employment and development for this area. A third will be housing. So I've already given the NHT a direction that they should start exploring lands in this area to build housing for the people.
Big plans for St. Thomas, but already questions have been raised about the potential threat to the safety and security of residents and business operators.
We are not going to spend the money we are spending here for it to descend into chaos and disorder. This will not be a place for chaos and disorder. This will be a place for safety, security, sanitation, good behavior, public order. There will be a security post, a police post inside here. All of that will be built in up front.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.